sign into your email account. To sign into your email account in Gmail, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Connect the computer to an internet connection. Step 2. Double-click the web browser icon. Step 3. In the address bar, type www.gmail.com and press the Enter key. Step 4. Type your email address in the field given on the home page. It is not necessary to type gmail.com with the username. Step 5. Click on the Next button. Step 6. Type the password and click on the Sign In button. Step 7. If you want to be signed in automatically every time as you open Gmail, then select the Stay Signed In option. This will automatically open your Gmail account in the web browser.